Today at Cedar Sense, we have a challenge. We're gonna take this CLG5 from SaunaLife and we are gonna try to build this in under 8 hours. Starting at 8 o'clock. Tick tock, from unboxing this thing, taking it into our shop, and building it fully, as you can see that one right there. 8 hours, it's an 8-hour challenge over here at Cedar Sense. Let's see if we can do it. Got the base all together and it is 9:32 and this is as far as we got. Leaving us 6.5 hours yet. You think we can get her, Max? I think we can get her. We are going to start with the front wall, window assembly. We got a nice big table to do it on, clear that out, get her rocking, and let's rock and roll. Wall built. I'm using 2 braces just because I'm handling this by myself. This very well could turn into a disaster video because I have to lift this heavy doggone thing all the way over up against that wall right there before we start our back wall. So yeah, maybe the challenge is all done right now when I drop this thing and break all the glass. Either way, I'm gonna let you guys watch it. And it is 9:55. So we're just under 2 hours into the build. We have the front wall done, the base done, and we're gonna be working on the back wall. Again, we are going to try to do this without killing ourselves. First off, we're going to take the back wall. We're going to lay it right there. Use that cut 45 piece to keep it up and standing. They're going to take the front wall, put it there, but we're going to have a couple braces already lined up, so I should be able to just attach it to them. But like I said, doing it by yourself, kind of tricky. We're going to see if we can get her. Relatively easy, believe it or not. That back wall is lighter than the front wall, and that was a little tough, but we're going to put a brace here, here, there. And the trick is once we get this right where it needs to be, I'm going to reach over, have a gun on me, I'm going to reach over, grab this brace, and screw it into the wall to hold it. Like I said, we'll see if we can do it or not. It'll be a challenge. are actually gonna stop right here. It does in the instructions tell you to finish out the roof and then, you know, put a strap on, release the screws, put the bands on, everything. But we're not gonna do that right now. Only because I know what it's like installing these things, and it's kind of a biatch with no light. So we're gonna put light on this and get it installed with some light. So we're gonna start on the benches right now. Installed along with the backrest, and you know what, I keep getting phone calls. I don't just build this sauna, I also run a business, so I keep getting phone calls. I've had 2 different visitors today, you know, but I think we're still gonna make it. It is 12:49 and it's not a whole heck of a lot more to do. So yeah, I honestly have a pretty good feeling about this. I think we're gonna make our deadline at 8 hours. What do you think, Max? Yeah, I could have used your help a few times, buddy. But we're gonna go next on to finishing out this roof, putting the bands on, and shingling will be tough because I'll have to go from one side to the other. That's gonna take the long. All right, you guys, the roof is fully installed, benches fully installed, and I keep getting customers. I keep getting people that come to the shop. We're doing a raffle for one of these saunas, and yeah, so it is 1:24. We're 5.5 hours in. I still think we can get this, but we gotta quit getting customers. As hard as that might sound, and my phone is going kind of dead, and yeah, so we'll keep trying to keep rolling here, and we're gonna do the bands and get to the roof next. All right, guys, we got the bands up. It is 2 o'clock. We have had more people come in. It's not looking too good to be able to get this done in 8 hours, but on our defense, we've had a lot of people coming today. We're doing like a raffle for one of these saunas, and people keep coming and buying tickets, and then they BS, and I'm never trying to be rude. So we're gonna go after the door here. My phone was running out of battery, so we're trying to conserve that too. We're gonna go after the door, put this outside trim on. This is a little bit of kind of painstaking, plus doing it one person is gonna be tough, but we'll show all that too. Don't know if we're gonna hit the 8 hours, but like I said, in my defense, we've had a lot of people coming here today into our shop, into our business, and we'll see where we're at with 8 hours. The door is fully installed, ready to go. Just like that. Super sweet. All right, we are running at 2:40, so we're like 6 hours and 40 minutes into this. I swear to God, I've lost like an hour, and we're gonna start doing this, the roof and the face, and this thing is done. All honestly, we got obligations today. We're taking this Cedar shower and our rental and our changing rooms back there. We're doing a pop-up rental. I don't know how much longer I'll have in here, but I safely can say without everything going on today, interruptions I should say, this thing would have been done already by now. So yeah, all we really got is just with the felt, the shingles, and the face, and this thing's wrapped up, done, ready to rock. Pretty cool. We were not able to meet our deadline of me being able to put this together in 8 hours all by myself. A couple things to that. We just released a raffle for another sauna the day before. I had, I don't know, 6 people come in. I would say they took maybe an hour of my time away. Plus you're moving cameras around. You know, I truly believe that if I would have went at this all by myself, uninterrupted, I could have needed it in 8 hours. I really do. So we made it to about the 6.5 hour mark. We didn't have the roof shingled, and we didn't have the face or the trim, outside trim on, and that was it. And I know by myself I can knock that out in an hour and a half. We just didn't hit our challenge today, but we will be doing more challenges. So
keep watching what we're doing. Make sure you like and subscribe down below. But this video isn't over yet. This sauna still has to go to its home, and we want to show you the process of what we do to take these saunas once we build them and deliver them out exactly where they're going to be. So keep watching. We are going to find this baby its home. Even though we didn't hit our 8 hours, I still think that this is a success. I really think if you have 2 people trying to build the CL5G, and they know what you know what you're kind of doing, it's a 6-hour job, I would say. If I had another person with me that knew what we were doing, I think it's a 5-6 hour job. No doubt about it. I dang near got to 8 hours myself. So even though we didn't succeed, I'm not bragging about nothing because that challenge was lost. The journey is what it's all about, and I still had a blast doing this. I challenged myself, lifting these walls all by myself. You know, that sort of stuff is weird to you, but fun for me, I guess. Or maybe the fact that it's fun to me is weird to you. I love doing what I do, and yeah, that's what it's all about. So let's find the home to this bad boy and keep watching. Are all loaded, ready to rock, and yeah, got it all by myself, ready to go. Loaded, tarped, got the door covered, good to go, guys. Can't wait to get on the road and let our clients see this. It's gonna be beautiful. Well, we might not have hit our challenge of 8 hours under here, but I'm telling you, if it wasn't for a busy day, I think we would have got it all by ourselves. Like I said earlier and right before, is I think if you got 2 people doing this sauna and you got the right tools you're supposed to, it's a 6-hour job. We were in a controlled environment. I was all by myself, and I really think I could have nailed the 8 hours. But like I said, we'll have to do the next one because I didn't make the challenge. There's no excuses over here at Cedar Sense. It didn't happen. But like I said, next time we'll be able to get it. Before we end this, I want to get your perspective on what the person that bought this sauna and what they think, and just maybe their first reactions as they seen it. All right, so right here we have Kim, and what lake is this here off of? We can't see the lake right now, but what lake is right off there?
We are off of the most beautiful lake. It is Lake Eunice.
Lake Eunice with an E, right?
That is correct.
All right. Kim, I guess we just got this in probably 10 minutes ago. What was your first thoughts when you seen it?
It's stunning. It's absolutely beautiful. It is sleek. It's modern looking. We are just thrilled. We can't wait to start utilizing this.
It really goes with your house, actually. I like what you guys got going on with this. I think it matches up perfect.
It matches perfect. Yes, it looks like you constructed them at the same time. Actually. So
right, it does.
perfect.
It's got a cool look. How many times do you think you guys will be using it?
Oh, once this is hooked up, we are going to be using it every day that we are down here. Absolutely.
Nice, I love it. Yeah, and they got the electric model, so it's just an easy turn to switch and go. And nowadays, right this time of year when it's 80 degrees in July, might take 5 minutes to warm up. But in the wintertime, 45 minutes.
Yes. And as you shared earlier, if we're going to go out, we'll just turn it on, go enjoy dinner, come back and be able to sauna and have a fun night.
Kim, thank you very much. Thanks for giving us a chance at Cedar Sense, and I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you very much.